Cold brew coffee is smooth, less acidic and packed with flavor. But did you know you can make it at home with just a few simple tools? Let's walk through how to brew the perfect cold brew, step by step. Step 1. Start with coarsely ground fresh coffee beans. Medium or dark roast works best for that rich, bold flavor. Don't use fine espresso grind. It will make your brew cloudy and bitter. Step 2. Use a ratio of 1 to 8. That's 1 cup of coffee grounds for every 8 cups of cold filtered water. Adjust based on how strong you like it. Step 3. Stir the grounds and water gently in a jar or French press. Cover and let it steep in the fridge for 12 to 18 hours. Time does the magic. Step 4. Strain the brew through a fine mesh or coffee filter. Pour it into a clean jar or bottle. It stays fresh in the fridge for up to 1 week. Step 5. Serve it over ice. Add milk, sweetener or flavored syrups to taste. Try vanilla, brown sugar or even a splash of oat milk. And that's it, your perfect cold brew made right at home. Like and subscribe for more coffee tips, recipes and relaxing cafe vibes.